Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the DualSense and the device you'll pair. Plug in or check battery. You need at least a short charge. Next, make the other device discoverable in its Bluetooth settings so it can see new devices. Once ready, press and hold the Create and PS buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds. Watch the light bar flash blue. Doing this puts the controller into Bluetooth pairing mode so your device can find and link to it. Now you move to the device side and select the controller. Open Bluetooth settings and scan. Look for wireless controller in the list. Tap or click it to begin pairing and make sure you accept any connection prompts. Some systems ask for a PIN, in which case enter 0000 or simply accept if no code is requested. Once paired, the light bar will change behavior and your device should show it as connected. If you plan to use multiple devices, finish by testing the controller in a game or the system's controller menu to confirm buttons, sticks, and mic work. If you need to connect to a different device later, either pair again or plug in via USB to force a quick connection. If pairing fails, reset the DualSense using the small pinhole on the back for 5 to 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears stale connections and often fixes Bluetooth discovery issues quickly. That reset is the single most reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.